about, you know, what we've been doing. So yeah, so it's evolving over the next, call it 12 months, would like to see happen.
Moving forward, making this as lifestyle-like as you can. Also from a consumer standpoint, it's just relatable.
From the packaging to the end of January, we could absolutely make it.
Since I royally failed at Vlogmas, I was like, I am gonna do my like diet series as a vlog series for this year because I just want to be more personal with you guys, and with my other content, you know, it's more teaching and scripted. So this is my real life. It is the 3rd, it is 8:30 in the morning. We're going to the gym and I just took pre-workout. Tomorrow is going to be a good day because we're getting a snowstorm, so I'm either A, going to wake up to like a ton of snow and bike it home, or B, wake up to some snow and be able to drive to the gym. Kyle said he's either going to text me in the morning to see if we go to the gym together because he has the truck, or we're going to do a WOD at my house because I've got the bike. Today, I'm just a busy day. I'll probably show you what I have the rest of the day for my meals though. Kyle is so excited about this storm. He keeps texting me. My grandparents at the beach are getting a blizzard, like a foot of snow, and Kyle and Non and myself are in a chat together, and he's like, we should have stayed at the beach. Good morning, guys. So my car, you cannot drive it in the snow, and it's gonna be snowing until like 3 p.m. So Kyle is gonna come pick me up. I'm just have cardio. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I use my Sweet Sweat since it's a cardio day, but I will tell you guys after the workout and my coffee and when I'm actually awake and not rambling. I want to just show you guys, I'm wearing my Sweet Sweat belt. Makes me look pregnant, but oh well. Glad we worked out. It's cold. Well, if this isn't the weirdest thing I've seen all morning. Oh.
Oh, now that's no. Bodie, no jealousy. Oh my goodness.
But I'm going to make breakfast. I'm going to show you guys what I'm making because I'm kind of obsessed with this right now. It's really low in carb and it's like fake oatmeal. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Starting off with 3 ounces of shredded zucchini. I'm gonna do 2 egg whites, and then this is the Miracle Rice from Miracle Noodle. As you can see, they're just like these little tiny rice pellets. I'm just gonna drain this, put it into the zucchini, and add the egg whites, little splash of water, and then microwave it for about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Let me just show you how this works. 0 cal, 0 fat, less than 1 gram of carb. I make it about 2 grams of carb because the whole packet ends up having some fiber in it. So for lunch, I made a little Buddha bowl with spinach, sauerkraut, asparagus, chicken, pineapple, and my mom's homemade curry. So I'm outside doing a photo shoot for Weatherspoon right now. It's actually snowboard themed, so I took out my board and we're just getting it done. This is actually my new board. It's a Rome 52-inch with flow bindings, and I'm pretty obsessed with it. We're the photo shoots for Weatherspoon and Hannah, so daily superfood ashwagandha and their daily botanical supplement. It's cold. I gotta get this done. like it? This is fun? You like it? You don't like it? You don't like it? No? That's why you don't run away. Or you're gonna be out here. This is why you stay in the house. Okay? She's not liking this. She tries to get out sometimes. Hopefully that'll teach her not to. So since I got the majority of my work done, I do this thing with tasks during the day where it's like I won't do something that I either like want to do or that's more of like a luxury thing. Until I get everything done. So I had a Sephora order come in and I didn't open it until I got all my work done. So we're gonna do this. I ordered during the sale that they had after Christmas, and I'm probably gonna be doing another order just because there are some products, some skincare products that I wanna get. Plus they have another sale going on, and I know I said I was going on a budget, and it's okay because I have gift cards, so I'm staying in my budget. So these are the Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glosses. I really like this. I had one from that I had gotten for Christmas, and when I saw that they were only 11 bucks, I wanted to get the rest of them because, or at least the colors that I thought I would wear, because they were so pretty. Okay, you guys, they're like holographic, but not in an obnoxious way. They're just really pretty. Amethyst geode. The one I have in my purse is the champagne something. Rose quartz and shell. And then this one is opal. Let's try the amethyst because it's unique. Whoa. This one's the more holographic. I guess you could build it. Like, it doesn't have to be super crazy, but you could also, like, if you wanted it to be like that. I only got minis of these because with skincare, I don't like purchasing a full product until I've either sampled it or have gone through a trial, like, run of it. This is, I'm gonna say this wrong, but the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. I've heard so much about, yeah, so I've heard a lot about this as just a serum, but also as a under your makeup kind of product. Rose Gold Elixir. 24 karat gold infused beauty oil. Pretty excited about this. A Sunday Riley product. It came in its own packaging. It's weird. So this is the Luna Sleeping Night Oil to reduce the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and redness. One of the things that I need to do this year is drink more water. I drink a lot of like BCAAs and sparkling water, but just like straight up water, maybe with lemon in it. So before I have my next meal, I definitely want to get in at least another like 20 ounces of water, and then we're gonna cut to dinner. I know that this looks super gross. Pretty much having the same thing that I had for breakfast, except with the Snickerdoodle Ghost protein and some Autumn Farms caramel. It's just really filling and warm. It's so cold. So that is what is for dinner.